As a scheme member, how to make contributions on the eMPF platform. After your MPF scheme is onboarded the eMPF platform, you can view the recent MPF contribution records of your MPF account and make payments to tax-deductible voluntary contribution account, special voluntary contribution account, and self-employed person account. You can also make irregular additional voluntary contributions online. How to view MPF contribution records and make payments on the MPF mobile app. After login, on the account portfolio page, you can scroll this bar to select an account, such as personal account, the contribution account of your current employment, a CP account, and so on. Scroll down to select a scheme. Then select Contribution Record tab. All the recent MPF contribution records are shown here. You can tap a specific record to enter the detail page. If you selected to view TVC, SVC, or a CP account, the records displayed under the Contribution Record tab not only included historical records, but also the contribution bills regularly generated by the eMPF platform, ready for payment. If you have already authorized direct debit as your default payment method when opening the account, the contribution payment will be automatically deducted from your bank account after the setup has been completed. You do not need to take further actions for the generated bills. For other payment methods, you can tap the card with approved payment status to enter the contribution record details page and pay each bill one by one. Scroll down and tap Proceed to Payment Instruction. Or under the Contribution Record tab, you can scroll to the bottom and tap Select and Pay. Then, select one or multiple contribution bills to make payments at once. Select a payment method and provide the required payment information. Then upload the supporting documents if applicable. If you select payment by check, please mark the member account number, bill, and submission reference number on the back of the check, and submit via post, drop-in box, or visit the eMPF website to find details about the check submission channels offered by each trustee. Then, the payment instruction has been successfully submitted. Remember to check the payment status to ensure the bill is fully paid. How to make irregular additional voluntary contributions on the eMPF mobile app. Subject to your participating scheme, you can make irregular additional voluntary contributions to your TVC, SVC, and a CP account according to your needs. On the home page, tap My MPF and select Make One-Time Voluntary Contributions. Then, select an account. Next, enter the lump sum contribution amount and then tap Next. Then, the contribution data has been submitted, and this contribution bill can be found under Contribution Record tab. If you have not set up direct debit as the default payment method for this MPF account, please tap Make Payment to proceed with the payment steps. Select a payment method and provide the required payment information. Then upload the supporting documents if applicable. The payment instruction has been successfully submitted. Remember to check the payment status to ensure this bill is fully paid. We hope you found this video helpful. Ready to explore more features on the eMPF platform? Visit our website at www.empf.org.hk now.